Gee, I wish there was a faster way to learn this stuff. Oh, Brian Sensei here. Are you a student or interested in learning something new? You're going to love this. I'm going to show you how to use Study and Learn in Copilot Chat. This is a new feature that you can use to help you learn about new topics and study them through interactive quizzes. Let's check it out. Okay, to get started, we're going to open up Copilot Desktop. I have it installed. If you need to install it, you want to go to the Microsoft Store and search for it here in the store and get that downloaded. You're going to see Microsoft Copilot. Now, I want to call out that this works on a free account or a paid subscription to Microsoft 365. So I'm going to go ahead and run the app down here off of my toolbar, or I could search for it here and bring it up through a start menu search. All right, so here we are. I've landed here. I've got my Copilot chat field to begin asking it questions. Now you'll notice here there's a drop-down menu. In here, you're going to see a variety of options that you can leverage depending on how you want to use Copilot Chat. In this example, we're going to go to Study and Learn. So now Copilot will be focused on helping me learn about something. So for example, I can ask it the following. Teach me how to play the acoustic guitar. Send. All right, Copilot has provided me with a quick introduction to how to play the acoustic guitar. We got step 1, holding the guitar. Step 2, understanding strings. And down below here, you can see Copilot is asking me if I'd like to continue to step 3, where I can learn basic chords. And so I could say, yes, please show me some of the basic chords. Show me the basic chords. Send. All right, and there we have it. We're getting the basic chords that we can play on a guitar and an explanation as to which strings to hold down on which frets. All right, now check this out. We can have Copilot help us practice studying by making a quiz. Create a quiz on these 6 strings and their notes. Send. And boom shakalaka, just like that, we've got an interactive quiz card that we can use to help us learn these basic strings. Let's try it out. Which note is the first string or thinnest closest to the floor? High E. Which note is the second string? I'll go with A. Which note is the third string? I'll go with D. Fourth string, A. And which note is the sixth string? Low E. Finish quiz. All right, so I got 2 correct and 3 wrong. Now, this is cool. I can click Review Explanations. And we can see which ones we got correct. I'll go to the next one. I got this one incorrect. And I can click See Explanation. Awesome. All right, so those are quizzes. Now, let's take this a step further. What are some easy rock songs to play that have only 3 chords? Send. All right. What do we got here? Sweet Home Alabama, Bad Moon Rising, Wild Thing. All right, let's scroll down here a little bit more. Oh, we've got a nice table with the song, the artist, the chord progression, and some notes on the side. That is awesome. And as we keep going down, we're going to see some tips and pitfalls. And I'm being asked if I would like an exact chord progression and strumming pattern for one of the songs. Let's go with Louie by the Kingsmen.
I said, oh, Lord, oh, no, I said, we gotta go. Yeah.
Yes, provide the chord progression for Louie. Send. How to play the progression. A major, D major, E major, progression pattern, strumming tips. This is nice. Find a video I can watch that shows how to play this song. And boom shakalaka. Just like that, we've got several videos to check out. All right, now let's try another example here. I'm going to go up here to the top left and go to New Conversation. I'm still on Study and Learn, and I'm going to now ask Copilot to create a quiz to help me study some existing content that I have in a document. Create a quiz to help me study these Japanese terms. Now, over here on the right, I can click the plus icon, and I can upload from my computer. And I have this document on Japanese greetings. Open. All right, we see it attached here, and I'll go ahead and send. And boom shakalaka. We have a nice quiz here for us to begin practicing these Japanese terms. All right, and that is how you can utilize Study and Learn in Copilot Chat. If you liked this video, please give it a like and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to see more of this content, consider subscribing to the channel. And if you have a specific tech tip you'd like me to create, please complete the form in the description below. And I'll see you on the next one.